Hey friends, Cherie here. Welcome back to the channel. I am just popping in to share with you all this new fabulous Christmas collection that will be added to the shop soon. This is called Christmas Spirit by Mia Charo, and this first print here is called Greenery Love. It's just a classic, beautiful Christmas floral print. This colorway is the green colorway. And like all the fabrics in this collection, they are 44 inches wide, 100% cotton quilters weight fabrics. Next up, we have this print here. It's a black background with ornaments and pine cones. Really lovely. This particular print is called Happy Eve. The colorway is charcoal. Let's see if I get close up, if I can get this to focus so you can see. It's not a flat black background. It has almost kind of a pine cone texture in the background, which is really cool. I love all those little details. And yeah, just a really beautiful classic winter Christmas print. This next print is called Forest Evening, and it features all kinds of fun winter and Christmas themed items. We have some mistletoe, we have a beautiful red fox, we have some squirrels in the background, ornaments, different kind of pine leaves. We have some Christmas trees, some candy canes. It's just even the little cardinal there. Again, this print is called Forest Evening, and the colorway is cream. The fourth print I'm going to share in this collection is called Deli Berries. And you can see here it has just some different winterberry and kind of sprigs on a almost tomato-ish red background. The red has a little bit of orange in it. Beautiful color palette. Again, just lovely details if we look up close. It's just a really layered print. Let me show you here all the different colors. So you can see all the different colors that are included in this print. It's a tossed all over design. It does appear to be directional, so be mindful of that. And the colorway on this Deli Berry is red. Mia Charo always does kind of a animal portrait print with her collections, which I just love. This one is called Christmas Spirit. And again, you can see she's picking up the themes that are in the other prints that I shared, the animals. Look at that beautiful deer. It's just really a gorgeous collection. Here are all the animals together around the tree, picking up those floral prints. So this ties in beautifully with all the other prints in the collection. And again, this is called Christmas Spirit, and the colorway is multi. Okay, our final fabric in this collection is actually a panel. Let me get this opened up. It is huge and beautiful. As you can see here, this is a 23-inch by 44-inch panel. So the print is running along the width of the fabric. So the panel is 44 inches tall and 24 inches wide. And just, I mean, look at the colors. It looks like a painting. It's absolutely beautiful. I love the gold that she included in here. And again, we're picking up on those beautiful animals, the beautiful florals. I definitely will be doing a quilt project that I'll be sharing soon with you guys on the channel. Very easy to make, but just wanted to share this collection. If any of you want to get a jump start and start working on your Christmas projects in July. Okay, so this panel is simply called Christmas Pine. And yeah, it's the panel. All 6 of these prints will be loaded up on Etsy soon. I will share in the community tab a link when they are together. I'll probably put a bundle together that includes this panel and the other prints as well, in case anyone wants to take advantage of that. You can get a little bit of a discount that way. And yeah, like I said, I'll see you back here on the channel with a project later in the month, just to give you some inspiration, show you how I'm using these fabrics. And yeah, that's it. So yes, friends, that's it. These 6 prints are, again, from Mia Charo's Christmas Spirit collection. I thank you for watching, and I'll see you back here on the channel again soon. Take good care. Bye.
This is the first year that we are alone. The kids have all flown out. I've got a thought, dear, been planning on my own. So what would you think about us making a clean getaway, not coming back till New Year's Day? Let's go